Hello guys. In this video, I wanted to capture one of my recent experience while working with IntelliJ. I believe with the recent popularity of IntelliJ, more and more people are switching to IntelliJ from Eclipse, or even so, some are working with both Eclipse and IntelliJ. And one of the common confusion for people coming from Eclipse is how to import or work with multiple repositories or projects, if you like, within a single IntelliJ window. Now, in Eclipse, we had a concept of workspaces where you can import multiple repositories or projects into a single Eclipse IDE window and thus work simultaneously on multiple repositories without switching between the windows or opening and closing projects. In IntelliJ, however, we don't have this workspace concept very predominant. However, you can achieve the same thing by using modules in IntelliJ. Now, here is a quick demo of how we can do this, multiple project or repository import into IntelliJ single window. Now, I've got three. I've downloaded a couple of projects, or cloned, or rather cloned a couple of projects from GitHub. So these are some random projects, and we would try to import these repositories into IntelliJ within a single window. So we will start with creating a empty project first. So before that, let's go back and see. We have got some repositories here, three of them, and then we have got a empty folder called multi-project. So let's start by creating a project and select empty project. Next, and let's browse to our empty directory, which is multi-project, and you'll see the project name is multi-project and the directory path is correct, and let's say finish. So here either you can go by um, adding your modules right from this window, or I think a better way is if you just click OK and import the projects one by one afterwards. So here you get your project created, which is an empty project. Let's see what's in the directory by now. So we have got, yeah, so the project has been created. Now from here on, we can import any number of repositories into our project as modules. So for doing that, so let's go to File, New, Modules from Existing Sources. Navigate to our repositories. Now these could be your just local projects, or these could be your repositories connected to a VCS system like GitHub, GitLab. So let's choose the first one. Now let's choose, and depending upon which build tool you're using. So in our case, the first one has a POM file. So this is a MAVEN project. So let's click MAVEN, and hopefully IntelliJ would automatically import it once it locates the POM file. There we go. As you can see, it's building and parsing. So we got our first module done. Yeah, we got some errors, but these are just build errors. We'll ignore them for now. Now let's do our second module. Let's take this one. Again, let me check. I hope this is a MAVEN. Yeah, this is a MAVEN project again. So let's click finish. There you go. Second one done. And the last one. Is two. Next. Hopefully this should be, yeah, MAVEN again. If you're importing an Eclipse project or a Gradle one, so you can choose appropriately the appropriate option here. So in our case, we are doing all Maven modules. So here you got three modules, three repositories as three modules. Now you can configure further attributes for each of these modules, like the build tools, VCS system for each of them, and etc. So for doing that, open module settings. So here you can set different options for each of the modules, dependencies, paths, sources, whatever you like, and you can even mark them as independent sources and mark each folder as per your requirement. So this is how you can import multiple repositories into a single IntelliJ IDE window. So there's no need to switch again multiple windows or open multiple projects and close. Thank you guys, that's all.